Well, over 24 days since the gruesome rape and murder of a 31-year-old trainee doctor reported at the RJ Kar Medical College and Hospital, the former principal, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, and 3 others who have been arrested by the CBI. However, the arrests that have been coming in are in connection with the alleged financial irregularities at the facilities that came under scrutiny after this brutal crime was reported. The 3 others who have been arrested are Ghosh's security guard, Afsar Ali, hospital vendors, Biplab Singh, and also Suman Hazara, who used to supply material to the hospital. Sandeep Ghosh, who was arrested after being questioned for nearly 15 days by the CBI, and after the Calcutta High Court ordered the transfer of the probe into the alleged financial irregularities from a state-constituted special investigation team to the central agency. The direction that came in response to a petition by the former deputy superintendent of the facility, Dr. Akhtar Ali, who had sought a probe by the ED into multiple counts of alleged financial misconduct at the state-run institute during Sandeep Ghosh's tenure as its principal. Now, Shantanu Sen, a former TMC MP who had also flagged alleged wrongdoings and was removed as the party spokesperson soon after this, has also claimed vindication.
So finally it has been proved once again that when human being can't give you justice, Almighty comes on the earth to give you justice. All these corruptions for which Sandeep Ghosh has been arrested today were unearthed by me when I was the RKS chairman since 27 February 2023. I detected all these irregularities. I started taking steps. I informed the concerned authorities of the respective section. I informed our Principal Secretary Health. I submitted full set of documents. It was not given to a single media at that point of time. But unfortunately, no step was taken at that point of time.
So with all of these red flags being raised, even when it comes to the CBI, which conducted Sandeep Ghosh's medical test around midnight and medical test of 3 other accused who were almost conducted, this is a routine. Sabyasachi is with us right now, or rather an SOP, if we can call it, just before when it comes to the individual who have been arrested are produced before the court.
Well, absolutely. See, it's a procedure that a medical has to be done before all of them are produced before the Shialda court. Now we have seen the strong reactions coming in. If you talk about the former principal of RJ Kar Medical College and Hospital, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, see, several complaints had been filed against him time and again, but only because of the horror that took place at RJ Kar Medical College and Hospital, the misconducts and irregularities done by Dr. Sandeep Ghosh has come into the limelight. Now, Dr. Akhtar Ali, who had filed a complaint back in 2023 to the Vigilance Commission of the state did not do anything. Rather, they had forwarded the complaint to the Chief Secretary of the state of West Bengal, and that complaint also did not do anything. No action was taken against Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. See, time and again, be it Akhtar Ali or several other people who were associated with RJ Kar Medical College and Hospital have mentioned about the irregularities and misconducts that is being done by Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. And now finally the CBI has arrested Dr. Sandeep Ghosh and 3 others. Now Afsar Ali, who has been arrested, he's a bodyguard of Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. Now his video a few days ago went viral where he was seen threatening a former principal of RJ Kar Medical College and Hospital, showing his connection with the state government. See, these people who have raised a complaint against Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, or time and again, they in fact have said that Dr. Sandeep Ghosh had a strong political background, and that is the reason why since the time he was the principal of RJ Kar Medical College and Hospital, no action was taken against him. And back in 2023,
by no action before was taken, and now as far as the financial irregularities are such that even after multiple days of questioning, the former principal of RJ Kar Medical College and Hospital, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, has been arrested.